Welcome once again to online lecture of Analytical Chemistry B.Sc. first year. Student friends, in last lecture we have learned about the co-precipitation, post-precipitation and the methods of elimination of the co-precipitant and the post-precipitant impurities. Now in today's lecture we are going to learn about the new topic, that is precipitation from the homogeneous solution, that is homogeneous precipitation, as well as the digestion of precipitant. So let's begin with the said topic. So let's start with the precipitation from the homogeneous solution. So what is homogeneous precipitation? It is a special method of precipitation. In this method of precipitation, instead of adding the reagent, the precipitant from the outside of the reagent precipitant is generated within and throughout the body of the solution of the ion to be precipitated slowly uniformly by the homogeneous chemical reaction in the solution. So what is the precipitation from the homogeneous solution? What is the homogeneous precipitation? The precipitation in this type of the precipitation, it is a new special method for the precipitation. In this method of precipitation, that is what the instead of adding the reagent or from the precipitant from the outside, so instead of adding the precipitant or reagent from the outside, the reagent or precipitant is generated within and throughout the body of the solution of the ion to be precipitated slowly or uniformly by the homogeneous chemical reaction in the solution. So there is no addition of the reagent or the precipitant from the outside, it is yet generated within the solution. So such type of the precipitant or method of precipitation is known as a homogeneous precipitation, or the precipitation from the homogeneous solution. Hence, the precipitation in which the reagent is generated uniformly and slowly within and throughout the body of the solution by a homogeneous chemical reaction in solution is called as a homogeneous precipitation. So what is homogeneous precipitation? Homo means single, genus means phase. So homogeneous solution is there from which we can able to precipitate the said radical or ion by means of the generating the reagent in the uniformly or slowly within the and throughout the body of the solution, or not adding the reagent, that is precipitant from outside, that type of by using the chemical reaction, homogeneous chemical reaction in the solution. The such type of the precipitation is called as a homogeneous precipitation. So there is no addition of the other reagent for the precipitant of ion from the outside, but the reagent is generated from the solution or the whole body of the solution to precipitate the respected ion slowly by means of the homogeneous chemical reaction. Such type of the precipitation is known as the homogeneous precipitation. Then in case of the ordinary precipitation in which the reagent is added from the outside, the solution reagent momentarily supersaturated with respect to the reagent ion in a localized region, the region where reagent is poured. So because of this local effect of higher degree of supersaturation, the concentration of the reagent supplied to that local reagent, that is local region, will be high. As a result of precipitation occurs fastly in the region, giving rise to the large number of small particles of the precipitate containing considerable amount of co-precipitated impurities. Hence, the resulting precipitate contains small parts, more impurity, and will be less easily filterable. So, what is the drawback of the simple precipitation? By means of adding the reagent from the outside, we add the reagent from the outside to the local